A sustainable world needs clean and efficient mobility, and rail transport plays a crucial role. Electric rail is one of the most energy efficient and environmentally friendly means of transportation. Traction transformers are vital in powering trains efficiently. They take electrical energy from the power grid and transform the voltage level to make it suitable for running trains. Hitachi Energy, a pioneer in traction transformers for over 100 years, has made them more energy efficient and safer than ever before. Presenting the RESIBLOC Rail, a breakthrough in oil-free traction transformers. This patented oil-free RESIBLOC technology is a world first for sustainable mobility, enabling the transformer to operate at up to 99% efficiency rate, significantly reducing carbon emissions and reducing total energy costs by up to 10%. RESIBLOC Rail is available up to 25 kilovolts rating. Hitachi Energy has further enhanced the capabilities of RESIBLOC Rail traction transformer to reduce installation complexity, simplify maintenance, reduce total cost of ownership, Introducing RESIBLOC Rail with integrated cooling system. It is a breakthrough technology with optimized coils that are directly and efficiently cooled with an inbuilt cooling system, enabling an easy plug-and-play solution that has never been seen before. RESIBLOC rail transformers are made with eco-efficient materials. No oil and fewer parts means there's no chance of hazardous leakage. And they are significantly safer and more cost-effective to operate, maintain and recycle at the end of their lifespan. Reinforced with epoxy insulation and glass fibre, the RESIBLOC rail has unsurpassed mechanical strength, allowing it to perform under the harshest conditions, including temperatures as low as -60 degrees Celsius. For more than 40 years, RESIBLOC transformers have been used for many applications in extreme environments, like marine vessels, offshore oil and gas platforms, and underground mining operations. Hitachi Energy is now bringing the benefits of RESIBLOC Rail at higher voltage of 25 kilovolts, along with integrated cooling to further enable sustainable mobility. Another example of how Hitachi Energy is running the world without consuming the earth. Learn more about RESIBLOC Rail on hitachienergy.com or scan this QR code with your smartphone.